Okay, I'm right outside Escalante, Utah, and over the next 16 days I'm going to make my way across country and on trail to the city of Monticello. Let's go! Okay, here we go down Bighorn Slot Canyon. It's going to get really tight in this section. I came up it though, so I know I can get down it. Have to squeeze through sideways. I am just barely squeezing through. Okay, we're gonna keep going.
All the thoughts you never see, you are always thinking. Brain is wide, the brain is deep. Oh, are you sinking? Feel the path of every day, which road you're taking. Breathing hard.
Slide down in here, we'll get a better look.
Yeah, this is living. Look for love, it never ends. That's your worth keeping. Swallowed whole in negatives. It's so sad and sickening. Feel the air up above, up full of blue sky. Feel the air up with love, oh black with starlight. Feel the sky blankets you with gems and rhinestones. See the path cut by the moon for you to walk on.
Reach the Escalante River.
For you to walk on.
And now it's time to head up Silver Falls Creek.
Nothing left, nothing left, nothing left, nothing left, nothing left, nothing left, nothing left.
I'm staying dry for now. That's the point I need to get to, right out there. Still making my way up to the reef in the cold, windy rain. Trying to find my way down. That's where I need to get down and through, right down there. That's the lower end of Muley Twist Canyon. Kind of walked my way over here and then just down this chute, kind of skied down it. Fell on my butt once. From here it's just more steep scree walking all the way down into that gully.
See the waves on distant shores, awaiting your arrival.
I really hope it goes through, because otherwise it's going to be a long ways back up to the top and around. Yay! I made it. I'm out into lower Muley Twist. Open country. It feels so wide. It feels good.
Distant time, distant space, that's where we're living. Distant time, a distant place, so what you giving?
If you look real close down below, you can see the road that I need to get to. The sun is going down on day 5, and I finally reached my first cache site. Should be right over here. Okay, I see it. Look at that. I have to remove the camouflage here. There we go. Vital supplies. And my challenge for this morning, I have to figure out how to get up to the top of that ridge over there. I'm a little bit closer to my preferred route now, but it's not looking too good. It looks very chunky and steep in there, but we'll see. Can't quite see what's around that corner right there. It's where I need to get to and find out. If not, I've spotted another rockfall here that I could probably get to the top.
As we sit alone, I know someday we must go on.
So I'm going to turn back here. It's a little too rough. Okay, I'm back down canyon to that second rockfall I spotted. It's a slow go. I hope I don't have to go back down that. Yay, success! I made it. At the foot of Swamp Mesa. And from here, you need to go that way about 10 or 12 miles.
Stay with me. Let's just breathe.
Get around that point over there, and then up to the mountain. If you look really closely down there, you can see Mr. Shadow.
Practiced on our sins, never gonna let me win. Under everything, just another human being. Yeah, I don't wanna hurt. There's so much in this world.
Still day 6. Hoping there might be water over there.
Stay with me. Oh, all I see. Did I say that I need you? Did I say that I want you?
Looking back to Deer Point.
If I did, I'm a fool.
I'm still on the high slopes of Mount Hillers. I'm trying to make my way higher, but I have to retreat. Check it out, I'm up on top of one of the fins.
I wonder every day as I look upon your face.
Okay, wrapping up day 7 in the tent, ready to cook me some dinner. Got some pad thai on the menu tonight, and it's going to be a windy one, it looks like.
Nothing you would take. Everything you give. Did I say that I need you? Oh, did I say that I want you? Oh, if I did, I'm a fool, you see. No one knows this more than me. I come cleaner. Nothing you would take, everything you gave. Oh, hold me till I die, meet you on the other side.
This is the end of the road for me in Maiden Water Canyon. It's about time for me to turn around and go the other way.
Every night with the lights out, where you gone? What's wrong? Every time you can try but can't turn on a rock song. I got some if you need it. 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 Again, I did it on me for it's gone. I said I carry on. Again, I said it on me for it's gone. Again, everybody carry on. Precipitation, we said, are you up? Are you on the rise? Are you falling down? Let me know. Come on, let's go, Got some if you need it. I got some if you need it. I got some if you need it.
Day 10, I'm making my way along the high ridges above Lake Powell. Down below me is a cliff that you don't want to mess with. actual shoreline drops about 30 feet straight down into the water. So I rigged up my 30-foot rope with my water bottle and I went fishing for water, and I caught me almost a half a gallon. So I'm happy.
Got some if you need it. Got some.
This vulture circling me. Critical mistake, I got down off the cliffs a little too early. Up on the highway now, taking a look back at where I came from. From here it's 1,400 feet. Pretty much straight down once I get past this ledge. Just what you want to see when you're climbing down the side of a mountain. Finally at the bottom. Listening to the frogs go crazy. Ah, day 13! Oh, Dark King! Day 13! Made it to the spring in Wooden Shoe Canyon. Sun's going down. Got another mile or two to go. Day 16 is my last day on the hike. I'm still in the upper end of Dark Canyon, which means I'm not going to make it all the way to Monticello. Even with the shorter itinerary, it's been a great adventure across Utah. So come on, let's finish it up.
All the thoughts you never see.
It's my last leg to Duck Lake, which is where I'm going to end my journey.
The brain is wide, the brain is deep. Oh, are you sinking? Feel the path of every day. Which road you're taking? Breathing hard and making hay. Yeah, this is living.